Welcome to Mathematics Online. Today we come to know the expanded form of a decimal. How we can write the expanded form of a decimal. Previously we can know the place value of all the decimal numbers. Similarly, it is now we are taking one example to know so well. It is 72.983. So 7 is in the tens place, 2 is in the ones place, 9 is in the tenths place, 8 is in the hundredths place, and 3 is in the thousandths place. Okay, 7 tenths means 7 into 10, it is 70. 2 ones means 2 into 1, it is 2. 9 tenths means 9 by 10. 8 hundredths means 8 by 100, and 3000 means 3 by 1000. Okay, now we can also write the expanded form as 528.497, then 5 hundredths, 2 tenths, 8 ones, plus 4 tenths, 9 hundredths, 7 thousandths. Okay, similarly 5 into 5 hundredths means 5 into 100. 500, 2 tenths means 20, 2 into 10. 8 ones means 8 into 1, it is 8. 4 tenths means 4 by 10, plus 9 hundredths means 9 by 100, plus 7 thousandths means 7 by 1000. Now come to your worksheet so that your concept is more clear. Okay, fill in the blanks. First question, fill in the blanks. Worksheet 4, 17.25. 2 is in the tenths place. 892.416. 4 is in the tenths place. 57.63. 3 is in the hundredths place. 908.007. 7 is in the thousandths place. 57.98. 5 is in the tenths place. 139.081, 0 is in the tenths place. Okay, now question number 2, complete each of the following. We know 1 into 10, it is 10. 1 into 10 is 10. 9 into 1 is 9. After the decimal, 8 by 10. 9 is written as 9 by hundreds. 2 is written as 2 by 1000. Like this we have to complete the expanded form. Okay. Next thing is in the expanded form. Similarly, 92.73, it is 9 tenths, 2 ones, 7 tenths, and 3 hundredths. 9 is written as 9 into 10, 2 is written as 2 into 1, 7 is written as 7 by 10 because this lie after right side of the decimal, and 3 is written 3 by 100. Similarly, all questions are the same. Now, write the decimal form of each of the following. We have to write the decimal form. It is 5.237. Next one, 73.908. Okay, it is 6.045. Next one, 205.036. Like this we have to complete. Okay. Next, come to your worksheet 5. In this way we have to complete worksheet for all questions. In worksheet 5, we come to know about like and unlike decimals. What are like decimals and what are unlike decimals? First of all, we come to know is here 36. Here 36 is your whole number part, okay, and 2 is your decimal part, okay. Similarly, in 61 is your whole number part, and 0.059, this number comes after the decimal, that is after the point, so it is a decimal part, and 0.0, that is 059, comes in the decimal part, okay. Now we come to know about the whole number part and decimal part. After whole number part and decimal part, come to your like decimals and unlike decimals. In like decimal, we count the number, we count the digit after the decimal in the right side of the decimal. In this figure, after the decimal, how many digits are there? There are 2 digits, okay. It is also 2 digit, here is also 2 digit. In everywhere we observe that there is 2 digit after the decimal, so these all are called like decimals. So we have the same number of decimal places, we are called like decimals. Now see the examples. After the decimal there is 1 digit, after the decimal there is 1 digit, here is 1, here is also 1, here is 1, here is also 1, here is also 1, here is also 1 digit. That's why they are like decimals. Here is 3 digit, here is also 3 digit, here is also 3 digit, here is also 3, and here is also 3. That's why they are also known as like decimals, okay. In the unlike decimals, it is the opposite one. See the things. Let us see. In unlike decimal, there is 3 digit, there is 1 digit, there is 2 digit, there is 1 digit, there is 2 digit. It is a mixture of everything, that is 1 digit or 2 digit or 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, every. It may be every. Now such type of decimals are known as unlike decimals. Let us take one example. It is 0.1, only 1 digit is here. Here is 2 digit, 0.38, here is 3 digit, so it is an unlike decimals, okay. Can a unlike decimal can be changed into like decimal? Yes, why not? For this, let us take one example. One is 0.7 and another one is, take 0.7 and another one is 0.361. In 0.7, how many digits are there? Only 1 digit, okay. Here, if it is 0.700, then how many digits are there? There is 3 digits, okay. Now compare with the next one, it is also 3 digit. That's why they are known as like decimals, okay. They are known as like decimals. So when we add 0 in the right side of the decimal part, then we compare with the second digit. If it is also the same number of digit, then they are known as like decimals, okay. Now come to your worksheet 5. We have to encircle all such digits which are like decimals, okay. For that, it is after the decimal it is 1 and after the decimal it is 2 digit, okay. So it is not the like decimals, this is like decimal. And This is not like decimal, this is also not like decimal, this is like decimal, and this is also like decimal. So up to this, these are like decimals. Okay, next one, convert a group of like decimal, convert into like decimals. For this, let us understand first. Let us see, here is 1.8. so in this case it is, see here, there is 3 digit in the decimal part. Okay, here is 1, here is 2, and here is also 2. So we are making the like decimals by adding 0. So it is 1.8. How many 0 needed? It is 2 0 is needed for like decimal. Here is the same, no any change. Here is 26.26, 0 will be added. Okay, 5.01, then 1 0 will be added here also to make the like decimals. In the same way, in the next question also, in B and C, the same thing for making the like decimals. Okay, now come to your worksheet 6. In worksheet 6, we come to know how to ordering of the decimal numbers. Okay, ordering means how we should compare the decimal numbers, and how we should write ascending or descending order of the number. Okay, for this, first of all, you have to remember something while comparing the decimal numbers. Okay, first one is we compare the whole number part. So that let us take some example, that is 43.8 and another one is 3.89. 43 is the whole number and here is 3 is the whole number. So 43 is greater than 3, that's why 43.8 is greater than 3.89. Next we compare the digit in the tens place. 81.83 greater than 81.729. Here the whole number part is same in the both number. Okay, so we have to compare after the decimal, that is here is 8, here is 8, here is 8, and here is 7. So 8 is greater than 7, that's why 81.83 is greater than 81.792. Next we compare digit in the hundred place. Let us see, 6.725, here is 6.74, up to this is same, 6 is same, 6.7 is same, 6.7 is same. So after the digit find, we compare it, that is here is 2 and here is 4. So 4 is greater, that's why 6.74 is greater than 6.725. Okay, lastly in the thousand place, 13.804, this is same, this is same, but here is 4, here is 9, here is 9, here is 4. So 9 is greater than 4, that's why 13.809 is greater than 13.804. Okay, let us come to your worksheet 6. We have to compare this. In worksheet 6 we have to compare the digit. Let us see. Here 0.37, here is 0.47. So 0 point, here 4, here is 4 and here is 3. That's why it is greater than. Next one, 182.6, here is 181. 182 is greater than 181. That's why 0.9, it is 0.10. So 0.9 is 0.90, it is 0.90, here is 0.10. That's why 0.9 is greater than 0.10. Here is 342.81. Here is 342.801. So 342 is same, 342 is same, that is the whole number is same. After the decimal there is 8, there is also 8, but here is 1, here is 0. That's why 342.81 is greater. After that 4.123, 4 is same, whole number is same. 0.1, here is also 0.1, here is 2, but here is 3. That's why this number is greater. 4.13 is greater. 75.826, here is 75.825. Here 75 is same, 75 is same. 0.8 is here, 0.8 is also there. 2 is here, 2 is also here. Here is 6, here is 5. That is 6 is greater than 5. That's why 75.826 is greater than 75.825. Now we have to arrange all those numbers in ascending order. The given number is 6.035, 6.53, 6.005, 6.359. Here we have to arrange all those numbers in ascending order. 6 is everywhere, so write 6. Then 6.0 is here, 0 is also here, but after 0 there is 3, but after 0 it is 0. That's why 6.005 is smaller. After that 6.035, after that 6.3, here is 6.5. That's why 6.3 is smaller than 6.5. Now we have to write 6.005, 6.035, 6.359 and 6.53, and we are just follow the figure also. This figure, that is smaller to bigger. Okay, 19.017, 19.071, 19.170, after that 19.701. Okay, in the descending order the same thing we have to follow. We have to follow this picture from bigger to smaller. 218.81, 281.82, 281.81, 218.9. Okay, so 281.82 is greater. After that 281.81 is smaller than that. After that 218.9 is smaller than that. After 218.81 is smaller than that. Okay, in the similar manner we have to do the question number B also in descending order, that is from bigger number to smaller number. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.